Minister of Gender, Labour and Social Development, Betty Amongi, has pledged government's commitment to maintain policies that promote gender equality and access to education. Amongi made the remarks during celebrations of the International Girl Child Day in Kampala, stressing the importance of universal primary education and secondary education programs which aim to provide education to rural communities and those who cannot afford private schools.
So we have to form policy and program for skilling. That's why you see the president has what is called the Presidential Skilling Program. That's why under the Ministry of Gender, we have also a skilling program. That's why under the Ministry of Education, you have skilling program and technical institutions to support those who will reach O level and say, I cannot, maybe got pregnant, the parents say, we are not able to pay you. What other option does that girl have?
Amongi says government is committed to supporting both the poor and the middle class by providing educational materials, teachers, benches, sanitation facilities, and other necessities to ensure that all students, regardless of their economic background, have access to quality education.
Dismantling the cultural, social aspect of society. Because all this we are talking about is because society has defined the social structure that when you're a girl, you should not have this, you should not have this, you should not do this, but boys can do it. When you're a girl, you are not able to be an engineer, you cannot be a doctor, you cannot be this. Now it's our role to dismantle those cultural, social, religious barriers.
She said there is need to ensure that students are healthy while studying is a priority.
1 out of 4 children, for instance, the girl child, they have bearing children. What does that mean? It means that there is a high risk in terms of pregnancy, teenage pregnancy, and early marriages. So we are saying that the main point here to note is that education of the girl child is very, very important.
This involves having accessible hospitals, healthcare facilities, and family planning services. The Ireland ambassador to Uganda, Kevin Colgan, says Uganda is witnessing increased commitment to education and vocational training for youth, especially girls. The importance of creating safe spaces for young women, ensuring their protection, and respecting their dignity and security was stressed with a mention of a second chance.
That offer a second chance and other relevant opportunities to many vulnerable and disadvantaged girls to access and complete education and training.
The International Day of the Girl Child is being celebrated under the theme Investing in Girls' Rights. Sudat Kaye, UBC News.